So today I am installing these 50 pre-made hand locks by me into my beautiful daughter's hair. She'd been wanting dreadlocks for a while, so I promised her for her birthday that I would lock her hair. So here I'm just sectioning off her hair. That's probably the most time-consuming part. I'm sectioning it off, and as I'm sectioning, I am pre-twisting her hair, making sure that I'm twisting clockwise. That is very important that you're twisting in the same direction for each lock. That's extremely important. So I'm just twisting it. So after I have sectioned off her entire hair, I am going to go back in with the lock extension and start the instant locking process. So as you can see here, I am using my 3-needle crochet tool. It is 0.50, and I am just pulling the hair out, pushing back in, rotating it around, pulling it out, pushing it back in, and going all up and down the lock. It's very important that you're getting all of those loose hairs into the lock. That's extremely important. Again, pulling the hair out, pushing it back in, out, back in, and as I'm doing it, I am rotating all up and down the lock. So here, when I washed my daughter's hair, she actually had a lot of hair that came out. So I'm actually using the hair that came out of her head when I was washing it, and I am actually putting it back into the lock. So that hair right there is the actual hair out of her head. And again, I am crocheting it back into the lock just to make it thicker. Her hair is extremely thin up to the front. So I just wanted a little extra protection. So I am crocheting her actual hair back into her lock to make them thicker. So after about 4 or 5 hours, we completed her lock install. For those wondering, I did not use all 50 locks. I ended up only using about 45 of them. I did install 5 to 6 inch handmade locks, human hair made by myself, Sparkling Appearances. And we have one happy customer here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share Sparkling Appearances. Look us up on Facebook and Instagram. Bye. Thank you for watching.